Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card or a debit card to your PlayStation 5 Pro account. So this is easy to do. Let's go to the top and then go to right, go to settings and scroll on down to users and accounts. Then under here, let's wait for it to load and go to accounts and go to the right and go to payment and subscriptions. Then go to payment methods at the top, add or edit payment methods and set your default payment method. Now you can go to PayPal, pay by mobile, or credit card / debit card. Choose this, and then you can scan the QR code or use controller instead. So add in your credit card number, your expiration date, the year, the security code, and the name on the card, and then go to continue. Now, once you have the card in there, you can purchase things through the store. Otherwise, you can go on down to add funds right here, and you can use your credit card to add funds to your PlayStation account. And then you can go to purchase settings right here if you want a password at your checkout since you have a credit card on there. You can't buy things on your PS5 Pro without first typing in your password. So if you have a bunch of kids in your house or something like that, then you go to manage your subscriptions too. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.